I'm doing a Nerf gun attachment video, and so this is my gun, the Retaliator. I forget where the front piece is, and there will be more of these showcases. And this is a red dot sight, and so I'm going to be showing you this. I'm going to be shooting at that vase, and you guys will see how accurate this is. Probably not that much, but more accurate with this handgun that actually makes the thing go up. So, alright, let me turn this thing on. Alright, now it's on. And just look at the thing. And it hit it right where I was aiming. Alright, now let's reload. And also, this is what it looks like when it is working, but it's not that big of a circle, but it's just a camera. And let's do another one. So I'll shoot it at the pumpkin to the right. Okay, that wasn't perfect aim, but it hit it almost. And yeah. So now let me just reload. And here we go. Alright, and basically, yeah, so that's it. That's the end of my video. And see you guys later.